Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing. So what we have here, we have a Timebox-Evo Pixel Art Smart Bluetooth speaker, and this is by Divoom Spark Your Life. So we got an app, programmable LEDs, and all the good stuff in there. 6 watts USB tuned audio and bass board design. 256 mobile app programmable full RGB LED, 38 built-in sleep aid and smart alarm profiles, daily functions, evolving mobile applications. And there obviously are the languages. So this is the 4th generation of Divoom Pixel Art speaker. Obviously it's a Bluetooth with pixel art canvas, a smart alarm, a versatile toolbox powered its mobile application. Timebox will continue to evolve through other software updates and bring more excitement. 6 volts audio output, GSP processor, passport design, professional tuned. Anything else? So it does audio play, smart alarm, event notification, pixel art creation as well. You can create art, I suppose. Okay, let's unbox it then. Okay, straight out the box. Oh, that's a nice box. So what do we get in the box? Let's have a look. Get a speaker, get some cables and manual. Okay, so it's nice to get a manual, a lot of pictures, which I kind of like. So it explains to it, we're not going to go through that. Pass qualified certificate, okay, that's interesting. We're not going to need that. What's in the small box? In the small box we have a cable. Can we open this or not? Okay, USB-A to USB-C cable. That's always nice to see. Can't complain with that. Seems like a short cable. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Okay, move that to one side. Throw this in the bin. And this is the box. It actually feels quite substantial, guys, to be fair. Good packaging so far. No complaints there. Okay. It does feel hefty, like. Okay, this is... Okay, the front is the LED. We have a nice cover. We can see the LEDs. The back is rechargeable. The back is a speaker. On the top, play buttons and other accessories. Okay. So, and the power button is on the side. Anything else? Any auxiliary jacks? No auxiliary jacks. So let's switch it on. Hopefully it's going to have a charge. Press and hold. Okay. Okay, Bluetooth pairing. So what I'll do... Okay, that's the watch. Okay, what I'll do... I'll disconnect one of my phones. I've got a spare phone in there. And let's find the Bluetooth. We're still a recorder. So, sorry, that's a bit dusty here. So, different phone. I'll probably have to crop this part, so please bear with me until I find the device. Okay, we found it on Bluetooth. And it says connected. Okay, that was quick. Can we play music? Let's see. Anything from... Oh, it's actually telling me what I'm playing. Shows me when I increase the volume. That's actually quite clever. It's actually quite nice to be fair. The volume is good. It's actually quite loud. Okay. But the music is behind it. Okay. It's actually quite nice. But we're not gonna focus on that for now. I'm more curious about the app itself. Please pill. We don't want to pill that. Okay. So let's see the app. It's a bit of a shame, like, so they got the manual. Let's see, maybe it's in the manual quickly. So, Timebox. So it says, okay, power on, blah, blah. Okay, so they gave us they gave us a QR code, which is what I was looking for. It should have been a bit more evident somewhere. As in a sticker, but this is just a feedback. Maybe I'm being too... Okay, Divoom Pixel Community will download that. All stops. Sorry, I'll take that off. So hopefully I'll be able to sign in. Yeah, so that's downloaded now. Let's have a look now. If it downloads today, oh, it downloads. Okay. Open. Allow. Add the device. Okay. So do we need to add a device then? Okay, let's see. Do I need to register? I don't want to register. To connect to device, please log in. Jesus Christ, I need to register. Let me register then quickly. Nickname. Probably deal with some nerds out there guessing my password just by the sound. Or if I need to read this, aren't I? Let's see if I can log in. Okay, so we're logging in now. So there's like a Bluetooth search. Bluetooth search complete. Okay, so we can see the Bluetooth speaker there. Hello. Okay, so we're connected. What do we do now? We go back. So do I need to download this now? Or okay, I just can load it like this. Okay. It's not really doing anything anymore, is it? Do I need to press play? Let's see. Okay, so when I select them, it just starts doing it. Okay, that's fine. Can I download it locally? Yeah, I can actually apply it. Game over. Let's see if I apply game over. Strange. Quite can't understand, but let me see if I can. I don't know, select maybe this one here. Oh, it's working like a charm. I wonder what kind of else do we have. Do we have anything like oh, Dragon Ball Z? Yes. Look at that Vegeta. So this is the app then. So what else can we just say? Immersiveness, classic. Can we increase the pixelation further? Pixel art size. Classic mode. Okay. This is tiny. I don't know if you guys can see it like. Oh, temperature's too high. Oh. one of my phones overheated. What a joke. So, yeah, I think that's sweet. What else can we do? Hello? Understand? Whole message. Gallery. I understand. It can basically have anything on there, like. Okay, guys, so this has become a bit of a busy desk. So yeah, this is the review of the actual speaker. It's by Divoom. I do like it. I will probably recommend it. It's a solid piece of speaker. There's no observations, to be fair. So yeah, I do like the features on it. But yeah, for now, I'll put a link into the description, and it's an affiliate link. This is an unsponsored video. I don't get paid by these people, so it's completely, my opinion is not being, it's not biased by anyone. And yeah, I do hope you like this kind of a content. I'm sorry that my voice is not clear, and if you've got any questions, please put in the comments box below. But yeah, that's about it. But for now, take care and have a good night. Bye.